Di ba siya tumawa?
Roots that have pieces and then like that. They're putting it on the both like all I see.
So 2 weeks is the exam, right? And then, what? Another 2 weeks is break. 1 week break na naman.
Kailan? Itong March?
March,
Tapos,
May na eh.
ay,
Ano ba?
May.
May 25 is a holiday till 29. So it's like
25 is anong araw?
Monday.
Hindi daddy, parang Wednesday yung
Okay, di-check mo.
Wednesday hanggang Sunday.
Hindi nga sa school
Ah, sa
nga.
school. Okay.
Sa school, from Monday to Friday. So, balik na nila Monday ulit. So, sobra-sobrang pangalan na ito? Sobra-sobrang holiday yun. Imagine.
Maghanap ka dati ng 38,000 na plan.
Studio.
Hindi, wait, kung na ano nga natin yun, ng 1 bedroom, willing ako umalis eh. Yung 1 bedroom sa Alcoces na yun, tumaas man yun ng 2 taon, tsaka pa lang tayo mag-50. Eto,
Kahit malayo. No?
sanay na tayo sa Malay, hindi na natin kailangan ng, basta within Dubai pa din.
Oo, basta mag-start.
Hindi mo nakita yun sa, sa Bayot?
Mabilis lang siya, no? Tinignan mo.
22 pa yun eh. Nung 22
Hindi
pa
ko ako
nakapost
nagtingin
yun
kasi
eh.
sa bahay kasi tumitingin ako sa property finder.
First time ko lang magtingin ng Bayot. Nung gabi, okay pa eh. Open pa eh.
Ha? Did you bring water?
Kasi mas siguro sa Federation. Tinanggal mo talaga yun. Pag hindi mo tinanggal lang yung
Pinil ko na, tinanggal ko na. Alam na nila yan. Na, gusto mo yung...
Oo, yung tag na
Ayan o, ayan o.
na bago. Hindi ito dati. Yung may price. Tatanggalin mo lang yung 15. Ganun pag nagbibigay ng regalo.
Humble ka dapat.
Kailan kaya yung gusto mangyari ni Rose?
I-message mo.
Tulog pa yun. Malamang, mga lasinggera yun eh. Kaya pataba yun eh. Puro yun eh. Sabi niya, gusto ko nang umalis ng bahay. Pag ng flat, sariling flat. Sabi kaso wala akong tenancy contract. Mabilis lang yung Rose, 100 lang, 150. May tenancy contract na. Di nga te. Hindi ko siya natututog. Di nga te, sabi ko. Oo.
Sinong Rose?
Hindi siya yung binilibera natin sa Satawa. Oo, sabi niya nga te. Sabi ko, na kayo bili na ako ng tenancy contract.
Bakit anong gagawin?
Sabi niya, hindi sinecheck. Gusto niyang magsarili ng bahay. Studio.
Para? Hindi ko mo siya studio. Automatic na nga yung tenancy na yun.
Kaso nga, wala siya tenancy contract. Sabi ko, madali lang ako kumuha ng tenancy contract. Hindi ka mga 100 lang. Sabi niya, hindi nga te. Hindi sinecheck. Sabi ko, hindi, nakailan na ako. Marami ko na rin recommend doon. Wala naman nakakuha naman ng flat. Tapos, dalaga pa yun eh. Tapos sabi ko, magano ka? Alam mo yung mga dating app na Christian yung mga lalaki. Sabi ko,
Christian ba siya?
Hindi. Philippine, Catholic. Pero mabait siya. Galing kasi sa broke up yun eh. Sa breakup. Yung nag-baby na tapos iniwan pa siya. Tapos sinasabi ang pangit-pangit na daw. Grabe naman. Sinong lalaki yung may ganun kapal ng
Anong posisyon niya sa
marketing assistant. Siya lang ang nagtatrabaho kasi puro local ang tao sa marketing. Kasi siya lang dati nagtatrabaho. Puro manager pa. Assistant manager.
Anong ba?
Siguro band J yung mga siya. Siguro band F. Sayang ko, sayang yung benefits mo. Hindi mo nakukuha. 2 ticket. 3 ticket. 2 ticket sa anak, 1 ticket sa asawa. O 3 ticket agad. Tapos di mo naman nakukuha. Visa ng asawa mo libre, visa ng anak mo libre.
Bro, it's finished.
Yeah.
So sad.
Bakit kasi sabi ko si 91.1? Filipino time.
Can you make it louder then? Hi. Oh, you know, there's a skateboard area there.
Hmm?
Do you even know how to skateboard?
No, I just want to go hard.
Not in the summer.
Ano ba yung ano natin?
MRI. Meron din ako alam. Pero mababang kotse.
Bakit maingay ang loob ng kotse mo? Everglades. Ngayon tayo may chance na mag-Everglades kasi siya lang ang gumagana ng airlines. Pero hindi pa rin tayo.
Ay, maganda.
Sige.
Bakit mo ano
Pero wala pa dati. Hindi pa sila nag-backlight dito. Schedule pa lang, depende pa kung kailan. And if Chelsea knows Tagalog already, she can translate. Yeah, but start from easy words, Chelsea.
Put it in your
Don't
mind.
like nakakapagpapagabag.
I don't know that.
Kinakabahan. You know kinakabahan? Ang sa English kinakabahan?
Nervous.
Nervous. Kinakabahan. Look at the people living on this area.
Oh my gosh. Bro, get it out.
Hindi ko maalis sa bus ng talagang ano lang ito eh, tinitirahan lang ng tinutulugan kami.
Huh? No, actually, like, it's still thinking about time.
Kasi
Mine is
nag-rush lang naman sa umaga sa pasagal sa hapon.
mom in here. Here. W1 air colors and I want to color my hair.
Sabi nito sa
Some fire color other than
you will never see this kind of event anywhere in Toyota. Sabi niya, the bonding of the people here is like, these people who come here is not anymore working in the Expo, pero nag-take ano daw. Wala daw siyang makikita. Kasi nag-ikot na lahat.
Why do you think that? Oh my god. What is this?
Okay, I feel like it only.
Eh, nakita ko lang sa'yo.
Ano?
Dila ng dila. You show the brace, not the tongue, Haley. Like how you smile. I'm smiling. You smile. No, Haley, you're smiling perfectly. You're smiling perfectly, Haley. Give me a happy face. Oh, see.
Did you want to
You are training yourself to be happy and smiling.
That's the only
Nice,
thing my
Haley.
mom and dad like. Big smile.
That's the mom is small. Why is
Which one? Show me, show me.
No.
Show me! What is this?
Because you know that should be me. Holding your hand, that should be me. Making you laugh, that should be I can't see any fish.
Makita tuloy.
See, mommy, at least I actually saw those blanket.
Yeah.
But my teeth uneven. What if they play upside?
That's too, it's like so old now. There's no one there.
It's not April. I want there to be a kid playing radio. So they can make it pop songs.
What to make water do?
Got you gang. Literally got you gang. Hundred gang. Huh? Hyundai.
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 Hyundai. H would be silent.
What car shop has letter C in it?
Chelsea.
Actually. Excuse me?
Because it's C, it's C. Just you're making me think, and then you're making me.
Oh, so I'm the inventor of all these cars. They're made in China. Like
Chelsea. Chelsea, China. No.
And you know this football game club.
Whenever I say something, you'll say that is mean. That is so mean.
Daddy, you know that like the hotness is reaching my face. I'm like,
There's a fan there. Use the fan.
no, like the hotness when she was doing my hair, and then she was like, "Cause I'm going to curl it anyways." I'm like, "You're not hot."
Radio. Mommy, they're not gonna play Filipino.
No, Daddy, I'm feeling
Kasi
Filipino.
may
but
nabasa
that
ako
is
na
not-
parang pag kumakain ka kasi, it activates yung tinatawag na parasympathetic nervous system or yung parang rest and digest mode na pag sinisignal nun sa brain
okay,
na
it's okay.
you are
Video
okay,
ka ba?
you are relaxed, parang ganun.
It's timer.
Kaya,
Yes, it's
I
video.
understand
But
na
it's okay.
marami sa atin
It's okay, Coconut. No problem.
pag weekend, di ba?
Sige.
Tara, food
I
trip
want to
tayo.
do the Korean
And that's
radio.
okay.
Korea.
Huwag ka lang masyadong,
Korea
sobra.
with
Kasi alam
K-pop
naman,
radio.
sobra eh.
At Sunday, they're going to play,
Ako naman kahapon after nung show, sabi
On
ko,
Sunday,
"Mama,
they
I
play
gusto
such
ko
old
tayo."
songs.
So,
Yes.
yun, nanood kami na
Oh,
sine.
So, on
Korea? How you know that Korea is also?
Pero
Korean.
Korea. How did you know Korean
Kasi,
also?
pag nanonood kami ng sine, aside dun sa bongo,
How I learned Korean?
yung buy one get one
No.
na ticket, hati-hati pa kami sa pagkain. Eh, itong time na to,
Sorry,
talagang
Aya.
bumili kami, akala namin, okay na yung in-order namin. Aba, para lang dun sa
Bye,
dalawa
Aya.
kong boys ang pagkain. Na habang pinapasa namin yung popcorn, yung nachos, nung pabalik na, wala nang laman. Ganun lang. So, kailangan na magtipid. Baka ang next nito, sila na lang panoorin. Pahayaan ko silang manood na lang ng sine. Tapos maghihintay na lang kami sa labas. Mahal kasi. Di ba? Anyway, that's how I spent my Saturday. Tapos mamaya naman, baka magkasalubong tayo. I'll be, akala mo may plug ng event no? Hindi. It's a family activity lang. Napupunta kami ng Al Circle mamaya. Doon kami mag-skateboard. So, kung sino man ang nandun sa area na yun, takits tayo doon. Alright? Challenge! Di ba? Para sa ating Rise to the Challenge. Abangan niyo ko ano yan.
Kung nagpapasalamat ka, hindi ka napapahamak sa nangyayari. Dahil alam mo ang ginagawa ng bansa.
Di ba kung maano mo pa yun?
Tingnan mo nga yung ginagawa niya, hindi siya umano sa linya niya. Kamuti siya eh. Wag kong ano,
Hindi,
ako...
I mean, nakatingin ka kasi baka
Nakatingin ako sa kanya.
Baka mabangga mo yung...
Alin ba bang
Ganun yung banubela mo.
Insurancemarket.ae.
Mga tol, Filipino-American artist Cory Bautista has officially stepped into the fashion world with his new streetwear line, Hero. The launch comes after 3 years of development and marks a transition for the artist who previously gained recognition for designing merchandise for the Phoenix Suns and Phoenix Mercury. So ang concept nito, yung streetwear line seamlessly blends culture, identity, and modern style. Tapos syempre yung pangalan na Hero, a classic poetic Filipino term that translates directly to
Hero.
I love it. So ang vision kasi nito ni Cory ay the brand is designed to represent and celebrate Filipino pride on a global scale. Grabe, my pride indeed.
Insured by insurancemarket.ae. Pakinggan natin si Alfred.
Ang kaligtasan at seguridad ng buong komunidad ay pinapahalagahan ng Al-Amin Services para siguraduhin ang pag-unlad ng ating pangalawang tahanan, ang UAE. Nais nilang makatulong sa anumang bumabahala sa iyo at ng iyong pamilya. Maaari humingi ng tulong ng anumang oras at kahit kailan sa lalong mabilis na panahon gamit ang Al-Amin Services. At siya na confidential ang lahat ng ugnayan dito. Maging bahagi ng solusyon at tawagan ang Al-Amin Services sa toll-free number 800-4444. Al-Amin Services. Community, solidarity, sustainable security.
Ang weekend na Panginoon.
When you went to Armenia, you touched the cloud, right?
Yeah.
What does the cloud feel like?
That thing is just in the air.
It's just air? It's just white air. Sad. I thought clouds were like cotton candy. But when you touch it, it's Anyways, when you went there, I didn't know we could touch a cloud because I thought like the clouds were gonna come to us.
Your expectation is different. That's why you didn't notice.
I remember when you went to Armenia with your friends, you saw the clouds like those.